got it today and connected everything. The DVR had no problem recognizing the 1TB hard drive and it installed easily. All 8 cameras worked as expected. The night vision kicks in instantly, but the infrared are noticeable when looking directly at them. No big deal. The instructions are not the best, but that's what Google is for, and the DVR programming is like using Windows, so you'll figure it out easy enough. The Android app that is made for this system works perfectly despite what others have written about the app. I will update my review as time goes on, so as for now, 5 stars. Update: after being in service for 3 weeks, give or take, one of my ANNKE cams has started to show pixelation. I still give this set 5 stars. I only have 4 of the cams set up for now, all ANNKE cams. The pictures are really good. No problems as of yet with the entire system. No other problems with the other 3 ANNKE cams. Update: so I now have 7 of the 8 cameras connected, and for the price, it is a great value. The night vision kinda sucks, but better cameras with better night vision cost money, so eventually I will replace them. When I do, I will get 1080p cams with a better night vision feature. So, my update. The software that comes with the system that allows you to view these cameras on your network totally stopped working today. I was being sporadic for the past few days, but now it just stopped working altogether. The site, smay.net, is a pain in the ass to navigate because of its choppy translation issues between Chinese and English. Today, it just stopped logging me in altogether. Now I can only watch my cameras via direct monitor connection to the DVR or with my smartphone. I'm currently looking for a new software program to replace the one that came with the camera system. Yes, it's a free service with their program, but a free service that doesn't work isn't worth a dime. I don't want to have to monitor my cameras on my smartphone. I'd rather see the bigger picture, and wiring a direct connection monitor upstairs in my office is a lot of work. So, do I give it 3 or 4 stars? I am able to direct connect via the IP address, so the monitor in-house is no longer an issue. So, 4 stars, because I will still not be able to view the cameras at a work computer. Is this system worth it? Yes, it is still worth it. I like it. Update 11/10/2016 and the system is still going strong. The pixelation that happens every now and then in 1 or 2 cameras might be the cables themselves. I still love the system. I have all 8 cameras hooked up, and I recently found a kind of bonus feature. We all know that outdoor movement detectors are not made for outdoor. Right? Right. This camera system has a feature that allows you to choose an area within your camera's view to act as an intrusion alarm. I set up an area on my driveway camera, and now whenever we have company, the alarm sounds to let us know someone is arriving. I'm going back to 5 stars because this system has not let me down yet. The earlier software issues of the website having a problem has been resolved. I still get the cameras on my computer and my iPhone. Everything works great. The sound option for individual cameras doesn't work, however that would have been a pretty nice feature. I got this one for my new house. I was so excited to see how it works. It was not easy to install, but the instruction book guides me so clearly. Anyway, I asked my friend for help finally. Click the link in description for more reviews.